Look at this number. Turn out we got the wrong number. We have to go to the store and buy the ones that I found earlier because that has the same number. I'm very excited. We are going to get gold dip treasure. There is the secret code. It's the same code that the person who got gold dip treasure had. Let's unbox this. Fire and ice. It's the thing that you put the water in and fire in. Here's the volcano. This is the treasure map of Volcanic Island. There are 4 treasures. Cauldron of Eternal Cold, Pit of Burning Secrets. Those are the gold dip treasures. And I like Gold Chill. I think we will get him, but we don't know because it's always a secret extinct ice beast. I like him. He's X's ice beast. We didn't get ice because we got fire. It's red. So we're not going to get Frost Smash or any of the ice beasts. We're going to get Treasure Rex, Scorches, or Rapron. See, it's fire. Oh, so squishy. It's very soft and a bit wet. Still very fun. Ooh. And it also makes my fingers orange. To find the key. Okay, found it. Inside we got fire again. It's kind of like jelly. They're a bit harder. Ooh, it's coming out. I think it is Raptor, this one. Because he has a jaw. Ooh. His tail's sticking out. Use our knives to chop through the jelly. It slices like jelly. It's very hard. It's harder than jelly. Okay, I can see his foot. We have assembled our beast. And we got Raptor. He's a velociraptor. Let's put our hunter on. Bonfire on Raptor. Do you know that Triceratops and Velociraptor lived at the same time? They both lived in the Cretaceous. Watch my last video with Treasure X Fire vs Ice Hunter. That's how I got Bonfire. It is heavier than the last one, so maybe it is gold dip treasure. Let's find out by using our key to crack open this meteor. Ooh. We didn't get gold dip treasure. We got Trident of Fire. No, we didn't get gold dip treasure, but that's okay because I like a velociraptor. The velociraptor is very cool, and I liked his name, Raptor. The code doesn't work. The theory is the secret code doesn't matter. I think he was just really lucky. look at this number. Turn out we got the wrong number. We have to go to the store and buy the ones that I found earlier because that has the same number. So let's get shopping.